Here you go. Alright.
I don't think it all the way up.
That's a B flat major.
Are you getting the sound you want in the second measure?
There was hesitation.
From them? Yes.
Yes.
Where would that come from?
Me.
Okay, so get rid of that. Was it closer? There you go. On your releases prep, can you try it again, this time not going out to the right, but going straight up? So 1, 2, I'm not going to show you. Just start on measure 3. What do you guys like better, the way you did it before or that time? No preference?
We do it again.
Do it again.
I did it first.
You can do both in a row and show 'em.
Alright.
Why?
The first one looks like another beat almost, like instead of an actual.
Anything that we can do to keep that communication, keep it closer in front of us, is always going to be clear. We always feel more comfortable moving our arms here as opposed to out here. So that's part of it. I don't know, I always prefer to go straight up if I possibly can, instead of off to the right or off to the left.
I'm going to disagree a little bit. I think a happy medium between the two would be good. Just in that case, I have no problem with the release being straight up, but in that case, your release gesture, your release / prep and your beat looked very, very similar, and I think there needs to be just a shade of difference between the two would be helpful. So if you take it maybe slightly at an angle but still vertically, that's what I would.
And come in more for beat 4. That was, you're kind of out here as opposed to bringing it in front of your body. Try it one last time.
Just that measure?
Sure.
I like that.
Yeah, you guys all right with that? Great. Number 2. What happened in the 4th measure?
Same hesitation.
Okay, get rid of it.
That was interesting. It worked, but it wasn't what I expected you to do, but you still got what you wanted-ish.
All right. Everybody stand up really quickly. And you should grab your batons. Okay, hang your arms straight down at your side, just regular, and then lift them straight up. Straight up, your baton arms, of course. Okay, now adjust them to what should feel like a comfortable position. Now, where is your baton? This is a rhetorical question, so you don't have to answer. Your baton should be crossing your body slightly. Drop your arms. Come to your ready position. 1, 2, 3, go. Is it the same position that you just were? You're probably the 4th person, maybe the 5th person I've noticed in this class who their ready position is out here. Your ready position, it needs, okay, look at your arms as they hang at your side. Your arms are actually kind of a semicircle, right? They're not straight down. They hang like this. In fact, that is the #1 difference between someone who knows how to paint the human body and someone who doesn't. Someone who doesn't will put their arms like this. Does that look natural? I mean, that looks like a stick figure. Someone who does understands that elbows naturally bend and your body naturally has curvature. Keeping that curvature in mind and your palm straight to the floor, lift up your arm again. Everyone? Your baton should naturally cross your body. Now start conducting and focus on making sure you're in your window pattern. You're in your window. A lot of you will be conducting like this, where the baton is coming straight up and down naturally on this side of your body, this exact line. It takes away from your clarity. So just move it over a little bit. Okay, ready? 1, 2, ready, conduct. Keeping right in front of you. Okay, now drift to where it was comfortable for you if you're going to change. Yeah. Do you feel that? And do you feel how that disconnects with your ensemble? Now connect again. It shouldn't hurt. You're just kind of moving a little bit. Okay, stop. Was there a difference for some of you? Yeah, okay. It's hard for me to watch you when there's a whiteboard behind you and your baton is white. I can see it when it's in front of your body. When it's not, I can't. 1.5 years of steel harping on me. Move it in front of your body, move it in front of your body, and now I know why. Bam, baton's right in front of my face. There's my ensemble. It's not here. It feels better, but it's also an insecurity thing. When you're out here, you don't have to worry about them looking at you. They're looking at the baton. Pull it right in front of your body. Okay, you, and I don't know who else I noticed it on. I think probably you. Yeah, and and probably, yeah, you can feel it when you pull it in front of your body. All of you really need to work on that. I mean, they're your kids. You gotta look at them all the time, and they should, okay, whatever, sit down. You do it again.
Second one again?
Sure. That wasn't the right type of fermata, the first one. You did a releases press. Does that look more comfortable? Can you guys tell the difference or no? Yeah? And you don't just have to be bobbleheads because we're asking a question. I mean, if you can't tell a difference, that's fine. But to me, it looks better. So do it again and do the right kind of fermata. Number 3.